What is going on, Team Lethal fans? Joe with Lethal Performance here, and today I have the all-new Thermal R&D 3-inch full catback exhaust system for the 2020 and up Explorer ST. Now, of course, we're going to be going over it here on the table, showing you all the details of it, and then we're going to be installing it on Matt's Explorer ST and give you guys a full sound test on our truck. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this stuff out of the box and show you what's going on. Alright, so now that I've got everything out here on the table, you can clearly see what comes with the kit here and what you get for your money. To begin with here, you have your replacements here for the flex pipes here that come directly off of the down pipes. Now, these are a notorious piece for going bad as far as the OEM ones are concerned, so it's an awesome thing that obviously to make this a full 3-inch system that they've had to throw that in there, but luckily you're killing two birds with one stone with those mid pipes there. Next thing, of course, you have your mid muffler here that's going to bring it out back to these two tailpipes here, and which is going to bring it back to the rear mufflers here. Ultimately, this system here is all custom made, and overall the welds on it are absolutely gorgeous. I do say that a lot about a lot of the exhaust systems here that I talk about, but particularly with this one here, you can definitely tell this is a thermal piece rather than anybody else's. Now, to go into a little bit more detail here about the design of the mufflers themselves, Thermal R&D uses what's called Helmholtz technology in order to design the chambers that are inside of each muffler. Now, you may be asking yourself, what does that exactly do for the car? Well, what it's going to do is it's going to help eliminate any possible drone that you might see out of the exhaust system. So this system, not only is it going to sound amazing coming out of the back, you're not going to hear it inside of the cabin nearly as much as you would with a cheaper exhaust system that doesn't utilize that technology. So at the end of the day, you're getting a known drone system, but you're also getting an awesome, aggressive sound out of the back. This system here is made out of T304 stainless steel, so you're not going to have any issues as far as this system rusting or corroding on the car. This system should last the lifetime of the car and longer. All of the piping is mandrel bent so that you are getting the best flow and performance out of the entire exhaust system while also lining up correctly under the car itself on the install. Thermal R&D utilizes the OEM exhaust mounts here on all of the pipe necessary under the vehicle, so you don't have to add or cut or weld any other brackets under the vehicle. And speaking of welding and cutting, Thermal R&D supplies all of the clamps needed to install this on the vehicle, so there will be no welding, no cutting, no additional modifications necessary than what comes with the kit. The rear mufflers are given a brushed stainless look to help give the rear of the car a little bit better of a look as far as the mufflers go under there. They are also complemented by either a black ceramic coated tip or just their standard polished tip. We've went ahead and gone with their black ceramic coated tip there, as you can see, although either tip will work perfectly and fit beautifully in the rear fascia of the car. Now, to summarize this exhaust system before we install it on Matt's Explorer, this is one of the only full 3-inch exhaust systems that you can buy for the Explorer ST. Regardless whether you have a totally stock Explorer or you have a fully modified Explorer like Matt does with larger turbos, larger intercooler running on ethanol, this system will definitely benefit you. It's going to allow the turbos to spool a whole lot quicker simply because they're not restricted as much with the stock exhaust size and the stock mufflers. Overall, this system here is definitely going to benefit more on a vehicle that obviously has those upgrades to it, but with a stock truck, it's still going to benefit you as much as it possibly can. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this installed on our Explorer.